Juggling bills, let's knock one out right now. Paying your Walmart Rewards Mastercard. It's easier than you think. First, head over to CapitalOne.com. This is where you'll manage your Walmart Rewards Mastercard, as Capital One issues it. Log in with your username and password. Once you're in, you'll see your account summary, including your current balance and payment due date. Look for the Make a Payment button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it's hard to miss. Click on that. Now, enter the amount you want to pay. You can pay the minimum due, the statement balance, or any amount in between. Also select the date you want the payment to be made. Next, choose your payment method. You can typically pay from a linked bank account or debit card. If you haven't already linked an account, you'll need to add it now. Review all the details to make sure everything is correct: the amount, the date, and the payment method. Once you're sure everything looks good, click Submit Payment. You'll get a confirmation screen with a confirmation number. You might also receive an email confirmation. That's it. You've successfully made a payment on your Walmart Rewards Mastercard.